Hey everyone, I'm going to show you really quickly how to draw lines, line segments, rays, planes, and angles in Google Slides. So I have my directions right here. We just need one tool to do all of these different terms, and that's this one right here. Right now it's showing a line. I'm going to select line, and my first direction says line segment EF. So I'm going to start at E, and then I'm dragging, so I haven't let go of my mouse yet, to F. So now I have my line segment EF. Now this is a really thin line. I would like it to be a little bit thicker, so I'm going to go to line weight. I'm going to change it to 3. And then I'm also going to change the line color to blue, just because that's what I like. Now, right now, it's literally just the line segment. And since this is a line segment, that's fine. But I want to add on my endpoints just so it looks a little bit neater. So I'm going to go right here where it says line start, and I'm going to select this end point where it's filled circle, and I'm going to do the same thing for the line end. Now we're going to draw line BF. So I'm going back to my line tool. I'm going to click on B. Oops. And I accidentally let go. So all I'm going to do is double click. And I'm going to click on this endpoint right here. And I'm going to go to F. It's a line so I can drag through F. Still really thin. I'm going to go 4 times this time. And I'm going to change my line color to red. Why not? And then I'm going to change where my line starts and ends, because now we don't want endpoints. We want arrows, because lines go on forever and ever in 2 directions. They extend infinitely. And now we're going to draw ray AC. So I have my line, I have my line segment. Now for a ray, still using the same exact line tool. I'm going to start at A, and I'm going to go through C. I'm going to change my line thickness again, change the color, let's do green, and then it start. So we started at A because that's where I clicked first. So I'm going to make that my endpoint. And then we went through C. I'm going to make that my arrow because the ray starts at an endpoint and it extends infinitely in one direction. And now we're drawing a plane. So planes and angles are a little different. Instead of using the line tool, we're going to use the polyline, which just looks like this funny little shape. And I'm drawing plane A, B, D, E. So I'm going to click on A, and I'm just clicking. I'm not dragging. B, D, E. And since I want it to be a complete shape, we're going to connect all of the dots. So I'm connecting right back to A. I'm going to change the fill. I made it a little bit transparent. If you want to make it transparent, you just go custom and then transparency. And it's just so that way you guys can actually see what I'm working on. And then our last direction is angle FED. So again, I'm using polyline. And we're starting F to E, D. And I'm going to double click at D. Now it's filled in. We do not want our angle filled in. So I'm going to go to the fill color and I'm going to say transparent. I'm going to make my line color pink so that way you guys can see it. I'm going to do 4 times. And then line start and end should have arrows because angles are 2 rays. And that's it. That's all you need to do to be able to make lines, line segments, planes, rays, and angles in Google Slides.